Oh, the Elton John coin.
Do you know who that is?
I know who that is, and I've seen his movie also.
What's his movie?
Birdman. That was a recent movie that came out. Birdman, I'm pretty sure. Can we fact check this? Can we call someone? Birdman? No, it's definitely not. We gotta retake this, man. Rocket Man.
Rocket Man. You mean the Rocket Man movie?
I mean the Rocket Man.
You mean the Rocket Man movie?
It's close enough, alright?
It's close enough.
I want you to cut this out, alright?
Do you know who that is?
I know who that is.
Hey everyone, it's Connor and
Oscar.
And we're from Bullion Now, and today what we're going to be doing is a little thing I'm going to call stack or pass. So you've got two stacks in front of you there, Oscar, and you haven't actually seen them all yet. So you haven't...
Just the two top ones?
Just the, yeah, just the, well, now you've seen the two top ones. But what I'm going to get you to do is go through those stacks, have a look at each coin, and tell us what you think of it, and if you would add it to your stack or you would pass.
Awesome, dude, I'm excited. So what should I start with?
You pick, man. Take your pick.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yep. This is 100% a stack.
All right. What is it?
It's the 2022 Perth Mint Kangaroo. It's the Australian coin that holds the lowest premium. And so for that reason, absolutely, it's a stack. What
do you think about it?
Look, I feel like people don't like the I know people don't like the design, which I've always found quite odd because I don't think it's a bad design. I don't think it's the most beautiful coin out of all of them, but I think it catches the light very nicely, and you know, for that reason, the coin's multifaceted in its layering.
Beautiful. Do you have one of these in your stack?
Yeah, I've got many of them in my stack.
Nice, nice. All right, put that on your stack side, either
okay,
here or there. All right, next coin in the stack.
All right. Okay, the Austrian philharmonic. I didn't like this coin until I saw it in person. I feel like online the pictures don't do it justice, but in person seeing how shiny it is and the design on the back especially, it's a definite stack.
So this one, for me, the thing I notice about the philharmonics there is that it doesn't have a reading. That's the only coin I've seen that doesn't have a reading in your normal coins.
A reeded edge.
Yeah, a reeded edge. Yeah. What do you think of that?
Oh, I find it quite interesting, and I also think it looks really nice. I feel like it suits the design very nicely because it stays shiny around the entire coin. Beautiful, beautiful.
All right, next coin.
Oh, we got. Oh my god, the Canadian werewolf. This is and I don't like that I'm doing this. I'm putting everything in stack. I'm not getting forced to do this. I do like this coin. It's absolutely beautiful. Canadian Mint, they do really nice designs for 2-ounce coins, and I think all the pieces are collectible, such as the Kraken, which is better than this coin in my opinion, but the werewolf is really nice, and I like that the diameter of it is similar to a 1-ounce coin, so for that reason it's a lot thicker. And $10 denomination, Canadian Mint know how to do it right.
Yeah, I really like the mythical creatures set, because there's so much detail in each of those coins.
Absolutely, yeah. Canadian Mint, they make incredible coins. Always so beautiful. Great condition usually also.
So that's another stack.
That's another stack.
All right, you're going to end up stacking all of these, aren't you?
I'm going to pick this one before this one because I'm not going to stack the Kookaburra.
Oh, you're not going to stack the Kookaburra?
You know what? I'm going to stack one of the Kookaburras.
Okay, all right.
Okay, it's not enough for me to get a roll of the Kookaburras. All right,
next coin.
Okay, yes, a stack.
What is this one?
This is the Quokka. Well, it's 2021. I look bad now, but it's the 2021, the second year of the Quokka, a Bullion Now exclusive. I think along with 2 other brands. Don't quote me on that, but Quokka is an absolute stack.
All right. Why would you absolutely stack the Quokka?
Oh, I mean, it's only been going for 2 years, and I'm not sure how long it's going to go for. But you know, I haven't been stacking for very long, so I'm caught up on this, and it's a lot easier to catch up on this collection. So let's just say it goes for 30 years. I'll be able to stack all 30 with no hesitation.
All right.
It's not like I'm going back to collect every gold Krugerrand, and I have to get another 70.
Yeah, all right. So for the next 30 years, you'll be stacking those quokkas and you'll have the whole set.
If they keep going, keep bringing them, I'm going to keep taking them. Absolutely.
Nice. All right, so that's a stack. What's the next coin you got there?
Wow, okay. And before filming this video, we knew you didn't let me see them, right?
No, I didn't.
I've been begging all day. He says, no, we're going to do this video. I'm like, what video is it going to be for? Anyway, I haven't been able to see this until now. I've seen it online, of course, but online never does these coins much justice.
What is it?
It's the Bitcoin coin.
The Bitcoin coin.
Yeah,
what do you think?
it.
What do you think?
I don't like it.
What?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
Why?
It's a bit mundane, in my opinion.
Okay.
God, I really wish I liked it. I do like the font on it. It's very digital.
Yeah.
If that makes any.
Yeah. So you were all excited, all revved up to see this coin, and now you've seen it.
In my peripheral vision right now, I can see it in gold. I may like it in the gold more.
All right. So in
likely.
the silver, is the silver a stack or a pass?
For me, personally, it's a pass.
All right. Well, what about that gold one there?
Oh, okay. I already love this capsule it comes with. Oh, wow. And it holds it so beautifully, so perfectly also. The gold, yeah, this is some stuff you see in movies. This is a definite stack.
Yep.
If you've got the money for something like this, I'd recommend stacking it.
For sure. Well, now that you've seen it in gold and the silver,
Yeah.
why? So do you like the design any more in the gold?
I like it a lot more in the gold.
Why?
It's smaller. I don't know. It brings out some kind of. It looks a lot more magical, and it's got a certain essence to it, which I gravitate to a lot more. Sometimes with bullion, it's just a feeling you get. You can't tell exactly why you do or don't like a coin. You just like it, and that's what's going on for this one.
What about the back side or the obverse?
Yeah, this is really, really cool. Yeah, wow.
What can you see?
Something. I'm not a technology man. I know you are, Connor, so I don't want to sound stupid in front of you.
No,
but,
you're right. Go for it.
I can just see a whole lot of technological type things inside of computers and whatnot, and also an axe mining a Bitcoin and coins coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah, really cool. It's just awesome, man.
Yeah. It does look so good in the gold. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you'll be stacking the gold, but
Absolutely.
not the silver.
Not the silver.
Okay, next coin, Oscar.
Oh, the Elton John coin.
Do you know who that is?
I know who that is, and I've seen his movie also.
What's his movie?
Birdman.
Birdman?
Is that right?
Pretty sure that's Michael Keating who did Birdman. I think Elton John might have been before our time. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
I don't know.
There's a recent movie that came out, Birdman, I'm pretty sure. Can we fact check this? Can we call someone?
I mean, there's a computer right there. You can.
Okay. Birdman? No, it's definitely not. What's it called? Elton John movie. We gotta retake this, man. Rocket Man.
Rocket Man. You mean the Rocket Man movie?
I mean the Rocket Man.
You mean the Rocket Man movie?
It's close enough, alright?
It's close enough.
I want you to cut this out, alright?
Alright. What is Elton John famous for?
He's a famous singer.
Yep.
And fashion icon, you could say.
Yep.
Yeah, I see a lot of these coins around, and I think it's beautiful. Once again, beautifully shiny, reeded edges.
But you don't quite know the history behind the man himself, Elton John.
We know a couple songs.
All right, yeah, name one.
Well,
I don't think you know.
no, I do know. He sampled on a Tupac song, "Ghetto Gospel."
Did he actually?
He did.
Oh, okay, I didn't know
I can
that.
see it to you right now.
So is it a stack or a pass for you?
It's a stack. His glasses are in the shape of a note, so that's really cool. And you can see the Union Jack in there, and the bow tie sitting on it. It's just a really artsy coin. It's great.
Very nice.
Definite stack.
Stack. And the final coin.
Oh, we got 3 more, mate.
Oh, sorry. I apologize.
Can you
And
not see 'em?
the next coin.
Oh. Is this 2 ounces? It is. Oh, wow. Okay. The 2 ounce tiger. This is probably the easiest one today. This is a definite stack.
Yeah?
100%.
Why?
2 ounces in gold is around the same diameter as 1 ounce in silver. It's a bit bigger, depending on the coin, but it just feels really, really cool. The Tiger, 2022 Tiger, looked really, really cool. It's just a great coin. I think the gold and the platinum design is a lot nicer than the silver. Not discarding the silver's, its looks, but I think the gold and platinum looks a lot better. And for that reason, the 2 ounce is definitely a stack. What do you think?
I agree. I will admit, I think I'm coming around to the concept of gold.
Yeah.
It's very pretty, and it is very tempting to buy one for yourself.
Absolutely.
All right, stack.
Stack. Okay, the next one, Britannia. I'm going to have to say pass for the 2022 Britannia and the 2021 Britannia. The background, the wave-like patterning, I don't like. The one thing that's really cool about this coin is the security feature on it. You can see the lock turning into a trident depending on how you hold the coin. So that's super cool, don't get me wrong. But I'm already bored of this coin. And for a coin to be in my stack, I want to look at it through generations. And to be bored of it after 2 years, it's not going to hold a place in my stack.
So you need a couple of shiny security features that will keep you interested.
No, I'm saying the security feature is cool, but the back is just, I don't like the wave-like patterning. The 2020 was a lot nicer, I think, with the stripes or the sunlight coming from it. And it looked more like a pirate coin. I felt like I was a pirate. It's fun, but with this coin, I don't love it. That's just me personally, so that's a pass.
All right, pass.
And the final coin, you even know this one, Connor. The 2021 American Eagle Type 2.
I actually don't know that one. I saw that one in the back and I was like, hey, let's grab this.
Yeah.
Tell me about this one.
This is an American coin. This is one of the I think it started in 1972 with the original design. Something like that. And then this is the first year where they've changed the obverse, I think it is, to a eagle flying. There was a lot of pushback. I feel like a lot of the time the bullion community is quite scared of change. No, it just doesn't like change. But, there's a lot of pushback once they saw the design of this. And then once it came out, a lot of people like it, a lot of people don't. But that's the same with any coin, isn't it? Anyway.
There you go. So that's a stack as well.
That's an absolute stack. It's an absolute beauty, a classic. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8 in the stack and 3 in the pass.
Ooh.
I'm happy with my choices.
I don't blame you. I think you've made some good choices.
You think I got it spot on, did you?
No, yeah. Look. Who am I to say? But it's
you're a man with an opinion. There's nothing wrong with it.
It is really good to see what you think of all those. Thank you so much, Oscar.
Well, thanks for having me in, Connor. I really appreciate it.
And we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.